Hope you had a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. Today, we're getting into a couple of my portfolios. Alright guys, so this is my Cash App portfolio here. As you can see, I have about 10,658. Over the year, I'm pretty much even with the SPY, as you can see there, which is something I like because I can buy some upside and hopefully beat it out here. And you can see my overall performance. I am down about 6.8%. I've sold a lot, but for now I'm just building up everything. So as you can see, I have a lot of stuff here. So that sort of allows me to buy whatever I want, not feel bad about it. I'm usually buying $10, $15 of things at a time. Sometimes I'll do 50 to 100, but usually it's just $5 to $10 of things that I'm accumulating over time. Massive portfolio, and this is paid off in the downturn, obviously, because my top picks are down massively. So all these little picks have sort of balanced it out. Yes, I have some things that I want to get more of as well at the bottom there. Winnebago. I have some Bitcoin as well. I am a lot more down on my crypto. I'm down about 50% on my crypto. Alright, so let's get into my biggest gainers, biggest losses. A lot of good value has saved the day. Getting into my lost territory. Some of my biggest losses, a lot of risk. Risk has killed me. Like a lot of other people, going for that upside has resulted in a lot of downside. So, probably my worst pick, Root, down 90%. And I went sort of big on it. It was one of my bigger picks. Block as well. And now some picks that I want. I want Apple right now. I think it's a good pickup. It's near its 52-week low. It's hit all of its earnings. I like that. It has a good margin, decent price to earnings, and revenue growth. That's what I'm looking for. That revenue growth, margin, and price to earnings. So this is my best pick that I want right now. Revenue growth, 33%. I want that above 10. Price to earnings below 15. And the margin above 10. It's grown every quarter, every year, and it's hit all of its earnings. This one, don't know too much about it. I just know that the stats are really good. Crocs, really good stats again. That's why I got this one, and going with the stats has paid off. The revenue growth, the price to earnings, the margin, it's hit every earnings. That's about it. A REIT, it's got that growth. It's cheap, massive dividend on that one. It's hit all of its earnings. Down on that one. So yeah, I'm looking to keep buying through this turmoil. Small buys. I don't want to put too much money in any one thing because that seems to not be working. This is another one with crazy good stats. Revenue growth, price to earnings, margin, earnings. At times like these, you can really look for things that have perfect stats. And those are my buys. I've increased equity throughout this whole process. On the way up, I was buying. And now all the way down, I have been increasing that equity and will continue to do so. Dollar cost averaging. So this is my portfolio and my strategy. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching my video. If you liked it, let me know, like it, subscribe as well. Then I can post more videos about my Robinhood portfolio, where I think the market is going. I'll tell you right now, I think that right now it's time to buy NASDAQ weakness. Okay, Tesla, all those big tech stocks. I think a few months ago it was time to buy the Dow. The Dow ran up. Now I think it's time to shift. Buy QQQ. Okay, that's where I'm sort of going in an ETF, where I think the market is going. I think bonds are a great pick. That 30-70 portfolio hasn't paid off, but I think it's going to pay off if you buy it sort of at the lows there with the bonds. International stock, I think, is a great pick right now. It's gotten absolutely killed with the high dollar. So adding international stock to your portfolio now, I think can increase that upside volatility. ARK, I've gotten killed on ARK. I think it hasn't started to bottom out yet, so I think you have more time on it. But I think ARK will eventually be a good time to buy it for that upside volatility. So that's about everything.